Hi Zahana. First of all,
Hi.
thanks a lot for taking out time and agreeing to do this small review video with us.
Anytime, sure.
Um, I would just want you to take the stage now and give a brief about the kind of admit you've gotten, for which school, a bit about yourself, and then we can take this forward accordingly.
So I'm Sahana, and I had just completed my undergrad in Bachelor of Commerce,
Okay.
and I was looking to apply abroad to studies
Right.
because I felt the opportunities after studying abroad would be better,
Right.
and so I was kind of unsure on how I was going to do that, and I was looking for assistance for that,
Okay.
and a little bit background of mine. I did, like I said, my undergrad, and then I did like a bunch of internships, and then I took like a small break, and that's after that, that's when I got to know about you guys, and that's when I think
Yeah.
we started together. So.
Okay. And also the school that you've gotten into.
Right.
Yeah.
So I applied to three schools.
Yeah.
I applied to EDEC, ISEC, and NUS.
Right.
And I was on my way to apply to other schools as well, but
Yeah.
then thankfully I got my admit to ISEC
Right.
for MSc in Marketing Management and Digital.
Okay.
And I also did get a interview call for NUS as well as EDEC.
Right.
So yeah, and then by then I had accepted ISEC, and now I'm going to go forward with ISEC.
Amazing. So I wanna understand first of all, right? Like, how did you get to know about this? Like, how did you reach out to us? What was the process? If you can walk us through that.
Yeah, so I actually got to know you guys through my friend Madhura, who had already worked with you guys for her admit to King's College, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And so at that point, I was actually looking into consulting agencies, and I was a bit, hesitant. Like I think I mentioned it in our first call as well, that I was a bit hesitant about
Yeah.
working with agencies and all of that, and that's how I got information about you guys and how you guys work and
Yeah.
what kind of services you provide and etc. and all of that, and that's when I think I had a call with you, and then
Yeah.
it worked. Yeah.
Amazing. And so, like, before joining us and before starting the whole process, a lot of individuals do have concerns about their own profiles, own chances of getting into schools like ESSEC, because ESSEC is, I think, literally the second best school in the world right now for marketing, right? So were there any concerns or any struggles that you were going through before starting your process with us?
Oh, definitely. So what actually happened is, because I just had an internship
Yeah.
previously to applying, I was not sure if my profile would be as strong as to get into a university, let alone ISEC. Because I remember even in our first call when I
Yeah.
spoke to you, I was more concerned about whether if I'll even get into university, and I feel like that's a valid doubt every student that I have spoken to who has been applying.
Yeah.
Even if I didn't know it at the moment, every student has that, anxiety for that matter, that, oh my God, what if I don't get to any university?
Right.
Because my profile is not strong enough. And in especially in my case, I just had one internship that I had done, which was about 6 months.
Yeah.
And even though it was based for the subject that I was applying to, that is marketing,
Yeah.
I still wasn't sure if it was strong enough to apply.
Right.
So that was my concern. And work experience matters a lot in a lot of universities.
Yeah.
My second, if you would say, worry was GMAT. And I was lucky enough that I got an admit early on, but since I was preparing for other schools as well, I had to write GMAT, and I was worried if I would not get a good score, and if in case I did not get a good score, how effective would my application, that is my CV or my experience, be to make sure that it balances out the score. So that was my worry.
Right.
I think that is majorly what I was worried about in my case.
Cool.
Also, obviously the location, since I wasn't exactly sure which course and where.
Yeah.
In that, because there are so many options, you get confused.
Right.
So that was my only worries for that matter.
Understood. And like, what made you choose us over other consultants out there in the market? Because you mentioned that you were a bit skeptical about agencies in general. So, why work with a consulting firm like us, or what did you like in us?
So my initial concern from the very start was that what happens with consultancies or agencies for that matter, or what I have seen around me, what has happened with my friends as well, is that these consultancies would like be accepting commissions for
Yeah.
certain schools, and you would not be really getting into a school on the basis of your merit or like how good the university itself is, but just to, they will have certain quota to send these many students probably,
Right.
or like I said, commission, and they just push you to it. And in that moment, if your goal is to just go study abroad, I think that works out pretty well. But my goals were a bit different. I did not want to go specifically for the sake of going abroad. I wanted to go for getting into a good course, into a good university, because I feel it might be much harder, this process, compared to other agencies that work on commission basis. But I feel the ROI is much better because you obviously get into a better university, which will provide you with better opportunities, like even career-wise or alumni basis, like you discussed with me in first call. So all of that.
Right.
So those, if I weighed down my options between these two, I wanted to go for somebody that I could trust, that would push me to the school that I want to go more than what they wanted to send me to.
Right.
If that makes sense. And with agencies, they tend to push you towards universities that offer a commission to them. And I've seen this happen to a lot of my peers like around me. And that was, I think, one of the first questions I asked you in the start was also if you guys accepted commissions, because I didn't want an agency that is working with commissions, because I didn't know how much I could trust. So that was my only concern. So when I spoke to you, you told me, right, that you guys don't work with commissions. It's completely on the effort basis of the student and all of that. So that's why I felt like this was the best fit for me.
Understood. And apart from that, once you started working with us, can you maybe share a bit about the team that was allotted to you, and if they were helpful for you for the kind of problems you had?
Oh yeah, so I think I worked at that time with Aryan was my mentor, and Arushi was my operations lead, and then Sejal worked on helped me with my applications.
Okay, understood. And can you maybe also share the college your mentor was from, just for other people's reference?
Oh, right. So I think he was from Imperial Business School. So I think he did MIM. Yeah. So that was.
Okay. And anything in specific that you really liked about our process, something that you personally feel that made a huge difference to your application?
Okay, so one thing from the initial start that I really liked was the mentorship program. Because I think not a lot of agencies provide that, or even if they do, it's a very structured one. Like it's the same for every student, if I may say so. But here it was like tailored to the student. And in my case, because I was applying to European schools, I think that's why the mentor also was somebody who studied in a European region. And then the whole process of the mentorship itself, like understanding what your interests are and what your background is and what you're trying to say with your applications, because end of the day, when you're writing your application, it should sound more like you rather than whatever you're trying to portray. Like they might have tips and tricks on what sounds good, but end of the day, it should sound like you. And I think he did a great job in understanding that perspective. And that again, I think is something that I really liked with Alconnect. And especially also, if I have to mention the support system, I remember once I was so like worried and confused, and I texted Arushi, and she replied back, and she said, you can text me anytime, it's not an issue. So even that itself, like a support system of like questions, because you have like a ton of questions, right? You were confused about a lot of things. And even the day that I was submitting my application, I used to send her pictures of the questions, like the parts where I wasn't sure what I had to select,
Right.
and she used to, reply to me and tell, this is what you have to do. And that system of, giving in that much attention to make sure your application is spot on, yeah, that effort from your side as well as my side, that is, I think, the best part about the whole thing that I liked. And the also the I think the harmony, I guess, of the whole team, like how efficiently they worked, was also like great. Like I remember whatever doubts I had regarding whatever I typed out for my SOP, like if I had any doubt, I could just add a comment and tag Sejal, and she would like reply as soon as she got time. And even that, for that matter, like everything was so organized and so it was very meticulous. So that's what I really liked.
Okay, great. And one last question: if someone is, let's say, unsure about, let's say, investing in a consulting firm, what sort of advice or what kind of words would you want to share with them after your experience of working with a top school consulting firm?
Yeah, so I think a lot of people are hesitant because it does take a lot more investment financially compared to other consultancies.
Yeah.
But the difference is you have to think about it in the terms of future, because you would be doing this like an investment for your future.
Yeah.
And end of the day, you would want that investment to make sense.
Right.
So I think it again. If you're hesitant, for that matter, I would first of all say go for it, because graduating from a top A school and the kind of connections you would get and the opportunities you would get, and even the experience, for that matter, would, I think, definitely be much different from other consultancies and schools, for that matter.
Right.
So if someone's hesitant, I feel like they should really go for it, because it's basically you investing in your future rather than see the bigger picture is what I'm trying to say. So the bigger picture would be investing in your own future.
Right.
And it's a very good investment. So definitely, I think you should go for it.
Right. One last thing, if you can share, because it's a very unique thing that happened with you, right? And when I looked at your WhatsApp group, I was also a bit surprised, because most of the candidates that we've helped get into, ESSEC for the MMD program, they do get interview invites, right? Very less number of people.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to share something about that before we close our?
That was a very crazy experience, because I did not expect it.
Yeah.
For some reason. So first, ESSEC was the first application that I put in, and it was quite rushed, if you remember, because I think I had problems with my university as well, with obtaining all the documents and all of that.
Right.
So it was my first application, and I was a bit nervous, and I kind of was like, I don't think I want to get it, and that was my get from the start.
Right.
And when I got it, I read it, and I expected it to at least say an interview date, or because before that I got an interview invite from NUS, and they had a link where you could post select. So I expected something very similar.
Yeah.
And I saw no interview date, and I was just very confused. Right. So I didn't know if I was, if it was a scam. I don't know why I thought that. I was just very nervous. Right. So then I immediately texted Arushi, and I said, so this is what has happened. And she's like, okay, calm down. Before we get excited, let's make this completely factual and all of that. So after that, we ended up logging into the ESSEC portal, and my application status was completed, and there was a link that I could click, and there it said I got a direct invite and a direct admission.
Right.
And that's when I was like, this is crazy, because I didn't even expect that to happen.
Right.
So I think I was purely, I don't think I could have done it without your guys' help. It was.
I was also pretty surprised, but surprised in a good way that day. So that's great. Baki, thanks a lot, Sahana, for taking out time for doing this again. I really hope you have an amazing time at ESSEC, and you really kill at ESSEC, right? You get amazing opportunities post studying at ESSEC, right? And you give us a lot of referrals in the future to work with us. Have a great time, Sahana.
Thank you so much, Kevin. Thank you. Bye.